Today's February 23rd. I'm at the Ram Show in Secaucus, and this is my Super Chipmunk. It's a real big airplane. This is my plane. These are all the airplanes. I was gonna bring 2 planes, but I brought 1. This is a big airplane, but this plane's bigger than this. This is like super big. Look at this. This is way bigger than my plane. My plane looks small next to this. It's got the OS 120 in it, brand new. And the cockpit is completely custom. So I'm gonna walk around. This is it, right?
This,
the one that
this
you,
is the big one. The little one is over there by Sal's.
Okay. This thing is huge. My planes are big, but this is like ridiculous big. This is a $25,000 model right here. 25, 30 grand for this plane. See, my plane looks small compared to all these other planes, and this is a real big plane. So the Ram Show used to be at Westchester County Center, now it's in Secaucus, New Jersey. I'm not far from here, I'm very close to here. Let's go look at Mariano's plane. Mariano's plane is right here.
Just a little bit about how you were a model.
That plane is scratch built.
Yeah, it's
It belongs to my buddy. He makes his own planes.
Wow. That's the best.
You know, he buys planes, but most of his planes are all handmade.
You did a great job.
Yes. It's all Borstar. It's a very nice plane.
Has he flown it?
Yes, it's got a
How's
lot
it
of
fly?
flights.
Nice,
It's real
man.
nice. And that one over there, the Super Chipmunk, is mine.
Yeah. Oh,
That's my plane. You gotta go check that out over there.
yeah. Oh, we're making our way over.
Yes. So he's got like 18 to 20 airplanes all hand built.
Really?
Yeah, this
Wow.
guy's
Does he
crazy.
sell 'em?
No, he
Oh,
builds
no?
and flies them.
Really?
Yeah, I've been trying to get one off him for a long time, and I can't. If I can't get a plane off him, and he's my
Nobody
best,
else can.
and he's my
Yeah.
best friend, so I can't.
Yeah.
You can't get a plane from this
Oh,
guy.
that's great.
Nice, thanks a lot, man. That one's his also. That
Yes,
one, yeah,
that one I like.
yeah,
I'm a Navy man, so that I like too.
yes. See, this is how I built my planes. I buy all the wood, start putting it together. Look at this thing. This is the biggest plane over here. Look at this. This is a prop jet, electric. I thought it had a turbine in this thing. There's a Scorpion. That's a Scorpion right there. I'm in love with that plane right there. Thanks. It's my airplane.
Well, that's why I wanted to see you shot now that your flash is on. So.
Yeah. Nice. That's the owner of the plane, my buddy Dean. This is his airplane.
I just took the Peter too.
Yes. When he's not looking, I'm gonna steal it.
I saw the car that you came with. You were not putting it in there.
It's okay. We'll tie it down with bungee cord.
Yeah, but like I had this. I know you wanted two. I had 4 left, so I just bought the 40. That's all I have left. I don't know. I'm waiting to see if this.
Opportunity to say a few words about the perspective of working with Dave and Dave working with staff.
Last year, I got first place with my quarter scale drag car over here.
You know, one of my first memories of Dave is, my life stories. I flew a little as a kid, and I think like a lot of hobbies, you get out of it, school gets in the way.
If I bring my quarter scale drag car, I'll win again this year.
Back into it. And I had a few months under my belt as I was getting back into the hobby again, and I was at the AMA flying field. And it was
Look at this, people. This is ridiculous.
And Dave Matheson shows up. Dave Matheson, Dave, who's a skilled pilot and who was the president of AMA. I was like, oh, I can't fly in front of Dave. But I flew.
These are helicopters. I own a helicopter.
I made some mistakes, but I flew and Dave was right there and over to me. And he said, he just had a leadership style that really encouraged you, really helped you build on your skills. And as Mandy said, he would be there with you. And it was a leadership style I hope to emulate here at AMA headquarters as well. And when we heard the news at AMA, it hit us hard. It is very, very hard.
Fuck you. Very much okay. Fuck you.
Let
me show you some more.
¿Cómo estaba? Vine con un avión hoy. ¿Y el carro? Está en la casa. Si traigo el carro, gano de nuevo. No, tengo que dejar a otra persona. No.
Ese carro vale.
¿Cuál es el tuyo ese?
Los 4.
¿Cuál? Nice.
It is a labor of love, and Dave definitely had a labor of love when it comes to Dave. I'm glad we're having this collaboration. And just thank Dave very much.
One of the greatest honors I had in my life was working with Dave on the executive council.
Luigi, te veo luego, okay?
You gonna be here?
Yeah. Later I'll bring you to my airplane.
Okay.
Okay? Y nos damos una cerveza.
They certainly need to share this as well. I'll let them announce themselves.
These are all where you buy parts and all those tools and stuff that you want to get. This is Raven RC. Whoa, man. What's up, my brothers? I know these two knuckleheads. I brought the Super Chipmunk. Go check it out.
Where is it posted in though?
On one of the tables over there. Oh, I passed right by? Nice.
Ignore this, as usual.
Last year I won first place with my quarter scale car.
Is that right?
Yeah. They gave me a check and a radio controlled drone.
What kit is this one?
That's the Great Plains. It's an ARF, but it flies real nice.
Very nice.
It's got a lot of flights on it, and I just put on a brand new OS. I took off the old one. So this time I'm gonna break in a new engine. Yes. Who's that guy there? Nice.
I did the outside of the car. It's all tied in, but I don't want to go for the inside yet.
You start doing the inside, you do the console, you do the door cards.
Every piece is like $500, $600.
Yeah, you holding it?
No.
Got it? Yeah.
What's up? How you
Put it
doing?
down?
That's the new truck.
Yeah.
How much?
Hi,
How you doing?
Good, good.
I came with an airplane this year because
Oh,
I fly
nice.
airplanes also.
Nice.
How much for this?
So it's $28.99, but if you do a pre-order, you'll save $200.
How much is it again?
$26.99 with the pre-order.
2,600. Nice.
So we have inside, you can change the gears. This is a 49cc pocket bike engine. So if you gear it for speed, okay, it's going like 35, 40 miles an hour. If you gear it for crawling, which is more torque, then it's a lot less, but I mean, it goes off.
Climbed over
I
everything.
mean, look,
I saw the video last night, and here it is.
yeah, no, it's fun. So what's nice about it, it's got the disc brakes on the pumpkins. So it's a lot better design. It stops on a dime. So because you're braking on the transmission rather than trying to stop these. It got two huge servos in the
Quarter
front.
scale servos.
Yeah. And it's got a nice servo saver. And what's nice about this design is you can take that thing, put it in the back, and have four-wheel steering.
It came out nice, man. Nice truck.
This is the best car. We should see all that.
So even if this was carbon,
Look at this thing. She said if I order it today, it's $2,600. If I get it from the company, it's $2,800. It's a $3,000 monster truck. It is worth it.
Oh, yes. These are cop beefy.
I bought a drag car here last year, a quarter scale drag car. I won first place with it.
Okay, all right.
I have a new era car. They're pro stock.
Nice.
Yes, with the differential disc brakes.
He used to run those.
Him?
Yep.
Okay.
He has a new era.
What's up, Sal?
New era? You got a new era?
Yeah.
Nice. What car? The dragster or the funny
The Pro Modified.
Oh,
I
nice.
used to run on Floyd Bennett back in the 80s.
Really?
Yeah.
So you know all the old guys.
I don't know. I'm one of the old guys.
Yeah, they all. And so far, I went in there. I started racing them in '92. So right now, the only two guys left is me and Eric.
Actually, when I started, it was when the race program there started.
Right.
So
Yeah.
I'm one of the original.
Yeah. That's nice,
Yes.
man. Very nice.
So I brought my quarter scale car last year over here and I won first place with it. So I got the full differential with all four-wheel disc brakes.
Nice. Really nice, man. That's good. Well, we went from the quarter scale drags to these now. These cars are running 3.4s.
No shit.
3.4 seconds in the 330-foot track.
Right. Well, I stopped running cars. Now I'm flying planes. I fly big airplanes. I got one over here.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
But I got a huge collection of RC cars. I got everything. I got the HPI Baja. I got a whole bunch of fucking cars at home.
Yeah.
And I also run speedboats.
Really nice. That's
Yes.
good. That's good.
Yeah, I'm running speedboats bigger than your cars.
Wow, nice. So you run quarter scale speedboats?
Yes, yes.
Nice. Nice.
So I got this type of setup in my boats.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's what the bottom end comes from, the boats.
Right.
And we just do some different things with the engine and the intake. You know.
I'm running the same shit in a boat, in a fiberglass hull.
Nice. Really nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these are yours. Which one is yours?
This one is mine. This
This
one
is
is
yours.
mine. And that's one of my. This one was a. This is a 15-year-old or 17-year-old.
Right.
It's one of mine also. This car even has a line lock on it.
Okay.
It has a line lock. I engage this servo.
Right.
And it'll lock these hydraulic brakes, and I can give it full throttle,
And then release
just
it.
let the button go,
And launches.
and it just launches.
Nice,
Finally,
nice.
It launches too. Yeah.
Yeah, so I make aluminum parts. I own a machine shop.
Okay, you
Yes,
do.
Yes.
Nice. We just met somebody over here that's selling, that makes carbon fiber.
Right.
We basically, as you know, we had to make everything. We make all our own stuff.
Yeah, I make a lot of shit. I make everything.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yes, if you want, write down my YouTube channel and check out my videos.
Where are you on YouTube?
Just write E. Matthews Jet.
Wait, let me find you on YouTube.
E space Matthews.
space.
Yeah. Matthews with one T, space and then Jet.
Jet?
Yeah.
J-E-T?
Yeah. That's all my shit.
All right, I'll start following
Yeah. Those are giant scale planes. There goes my quarter scale pro stock.
you. How do I follow you? Subscribe? I guess I'll subscribe to your channel?
Yes.
Good.
I also ride Harleys. I'm a biker. I have
Nice.
custom bikes. You're gonna see all my shit in there. You're gonna see my motorcycles. You're gonna see all my shit.
I hate this phone. This is nice.
Yes. So save it and watch all the videos.
I will. Definitely.
And
Definitely will.
you're gonna find my machine
That's
shop.
nice.
Yes. I got it. My whole house is a fucking shop.
Yeah, some nice stuff.
Yes. So I fly airplanes, I run speedboats, I fly RC helicopters, I have drag cars, I got everything. I'm in the fucking hobby.
This is nice.
Yes.
I'll be right back. One
Yep.
second.
And I'm also a legal gun owner, so I collect guns.
I realized.
Maurice, what's up, my
The
brother?
fuck, man? Come on, man. What's up?
Maurice,
I thought you were working today.
what's up, man?
You get me?
Man, I brought the Super Chipmunk.
Oh yeah, I see that. Beautiful.
Go check it out. So what are you up to?
Yeah, he's Junior.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, what's
Yes,
up,
I
man?
know.
How you doing?
He's ready for war too.
Yeah, well, we're live on YouTube right now.
Right.
Okay?
Damn, that light is right. What's it got blinded by the light?
I'm not here.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, so say what's up to the YouTube world.
YouTube world, you should be here supporting the RC hobby. That's
Where
it.
we at right now? Where are we?
Couple hours.
Where we at?
We're in Secaucus, New Jersey. 2019
He's wearing a badge one. I don't know what the heck that means.
All right, all right. I'm too
That's the
legit,
Migra card.
too legit to quit.
That's the hookup.
Yeah.
I love him.
I'm gonna go get me a beer, man. See you later, okay?
Call me for a beer. We'll go for
Huh? You wanna go have a beer? Let's go have a beer.
a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna come back later on. I'm signing out now. This is E. Matthews Jet at the RC show at the Ram show.